everybody, I've shared with you already what we do have inside the DMK camera, and now I'm using a CCTV camera, and I will show you what do we have inside it. And the thing is, I'm using this CCTV lens with this camera, and this is a astronomy camera. I don't have to use the iris control that is here. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking out this circuit. I've done a test here, and if you put 5 volts here, the one on the right is the negative and the one on the left is the positive, and is the bottom one. I did a test here and I put 5 voltage across, and it worked. You don't have to have more than 5 volts just to open the iris on this CCTV lens. So, but I don't have to use this, so I'm taking this out of the camera. To open the case, I used a screwdriver. So what I did here was to pull this case here down, and I was going across and across, and again, first of all, I've take this out here. I just put to show you that you have to take out if you want to open the case, and they are going out of my table. Okay, when you take those screw outs, and one is for the zoom and the other one is for the focus, so you start taking this case out and you do this here, and here you have the mechanism that is inside. Is a little motor, and this little motor is driving a mechanical iris. So here you have a small screw that you have to unscrew, and I've done that. It's unscrewed already, and you can take out all the mechanism. That is this one. Let me screw again because I don't want to lose. Okay, and for me, this is what I want with my camera. I want this lens that I can control the focus, and I can control the zoom, but without any iris control, because this lens already, this camera already controls the exposure, and this is astronomical. I'm using this to shot satellites, iridiums, and things like that. So because of this, I wanted this lens here. And if you want to see what we have inside this camera, go on the top and see the link. So here is what I will do. I will put the case again, and that's it. That's how I will use my lens, and I will just put something here to keep clean inside it. So here is the mechanism. So here you have the motor, and the mechanism is here, and you have a spring here that is holding a bar, and when the motor is running, look at the bottom. It is very, very sensitive. Full opened, full closed. And I can see that we have a kind of black layer, and it might be some other control here, I don't know. But look at this. And I'm not using this. So I bought this lens because it was the only one I found it that it has the CS type of screw here that I can attach on my camera. Let me show you. So this is perfect. And now I have a ocular that I can put in my telescope, and if I don't want to use as a ocular, I can attach this lens and use as a regular camera, but that has a very good capability of shot images with low light. And this is the CS mount. Okay, this is, oh, and now I have to put back the screws here. So this is what we have inside the camera, and you can control the full and full open and full close iris with 5 voltage, and with 5 voltage you are using 20 milliamps, and with you can open with 10 milliamps. That's it. Until the next video.